Hey y'all, it's Bojo. Welcome back to Anomalous today doing Cup of Darkness. Before I continue, I tried searching on my computer the name for this transformation. It's not even in the transformation sheet. Like, I actually found the way to actually find it, and that looks just like the previous episode's cup. Oh my god. And I'm like, oh yeah. I drank, and the darkness settled in my veins, warm and thick, like it's always been there. I can't tell if I'm drowning or floating, drifting further from the light. How long before the darkness takes everything? That's a good question. Will you become the darkness? And yes, I don't even have a name for this. There isn't even a name that I can find for it. And I don't think she has a mouth animation. No, she doesn't. Alright, that is the Cup of Darkness. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay to your friend's video. Bye-bye.